Well, unfortunately, the time has finally come to sell this machine on to somebody else. It's been a good mower for the amount of time that I've had it. This engine I put on it, I believe, in 2020. It replaced a Briggs & Stratton, an older one. And I did a couple videos on this machine over the years. And overall, it's been a great mower. I have had to do the carb clean out on it about once every year, no matter if I drain the gas or not, or put stabilizer in. It's just a real common issue with these newer Briggs & Stratton engines. These are what mess up. I used to just clean them out and throw them back in, but now I've found that it's better to actually just replace them. There's the part number 592792. It seems to be a little bit better on them, and those emulsion tubes aren't all that expensive. But I finally decided to sell this thing just because it's not been used that much. In the past 4 years since I put this engine on it, I think I've used it maybe less than 10 times. But replace this bag door on it. These frames are really hard to find because they only fit these and Husqvarna mowers. These mowers, I don't think were made that long with this bag setup. So I found this bag with a bunch of other bags when I was out trash picking. I noticed that it fit this machine, so I stuck it on it, and that's what helped it sell in this area. People love to mow their lawns and bag their grass clippings. Personally, I don't really see the point in doing that. Mulching is a little bit better for your yard anyways, but that's their lawns, not mine, I guess. But anyways, for whatever reason, it always boosts the value of a mower if it includes the bag, so here it is. This machine has been well taken care of since I've had it. I've also replaced the 2-piece brake control cable. So this machine runs really well. Let's go ahead and start it up. So I did just turn it on off camera. Like I said, I hate to get rid of this thing, but it's just not being used. All the wheel adjusters work perfectly. They're not binded up or anything. That's another common issue with these older mowers. They just start rusting up. These are, other than the discoloration on the controller here, there's no issues with them. They all adjust properly. Washout port is still in great condition. So this will make a good mower for somebody, and the guy that buys it from me, I'm going to let him know that, hey, you need to, every year, if this thing doesn't start, watch the videos on YouTube, how to clean this carburetor out or replace this jet, which I am going to include with it, so he knows not to throw this thing in the trash if it doesn't work on him. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. This machine's going to go on to an owner who just bought a house, and I'm going to meet with him shortly.